Yo, how's it going, guys? It is Camden here, and today we're going to be talking about some very important news for my channel. Alright guys, so first up, I just want to say I am very sorry. I have not uploaded in almost 3 weeks.
Bruh.
Luckily, I have an excuse. Really, the main reason that I have not been uploading is because I actually got a new computer and the new setup. So this setup has been amazing. However, it's still a little bit tough to record on. I still need to set up a few more things. Alright guys, next up, this is about making videos. Now this computer, it's actually Razer's computer. It's very good at content creation. However, I have still not been able to get some of my programs that I use to run 100% correctly running, such as my editing software and my recording software. I should be able to go up and running and start filming those videos on Prodigy. Alright guys, so I'm very sorry for not uploading, but hopefully this video just cleared some things up. I'm trying my best to get a video out for you guys, so I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.